Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this makeup tutorial for you. I was really in the mood to do something colorful today, so I decided to go for the color purple, which is actually one of my favorite colors. So I decided to create this makeup look. This is actually inspired by somebody I saw on Instagram. Her name is By Here she is. Her name is By She's actually one of the people I love stalking on Instagram. Her makeup looks are absolutely gorgeous. So I saw this makeup look and I just loved it so much that I wanted to recreate it myself. Obviously it didn't come out exactly the same like hers, but I really loved the way it turned out anyway, so I wanted to change it up today and do a fun color for you, especially for the springtime. I think this is perfect. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, so we're going to start off by priming our eyelids with the Urban Decay Naked Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm just blending that out with my Beauty Blender, but I wanted a little bit more coverage to my eyelids, so I went in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer right on top. So for eyeshadow, I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm applying the shade Creamsicle as a transition shade. And then I'm going into the shade Hunts, which is a beautiful burnt orange brown shade, and I'm applying that right on top. And I'm making sure I blend it out really, really nicely, just because I want that nice blended out crease. Next, I'm going into the shade Jax, which is a darker brown shade, and I'm applying that with a pencil brush right in the crease. And as you can see, I'm taking that into my inner corner as well because I do want that halo eye effect. And again, just make sure you blend, blend, blend because you want it to be seamless. And then I'm going into my MAC concealer in the shade NC30, and I'm applying that right in the center, giving that halo eye look. This can be a hard step because you don't know where to apply the concealer to get that perfect halo eye look, but I have a hard time with it too, so I just apply it right in the center, and I try my hardest to make both eyes look the same. Next, I'm going into my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm taking the shade Make, which is a purple shimmery shade, and I'm applying that right in the crease, but I'm just applying it to my outer V, and I'm also applying it right in the inner corner. I'm not bringing it in to the entire crease, just on the outer V and the inner corner. And then I'm getting a blending brush and I'm blending them all together into the crease, if that makes any sense at all. But just inner corner, outer corner, blend out, and that way the purple color will kind of get into the crease when you're blending it. So then I'm getting some of that concealer again, and I'm just applying it to the center again. That way the shade that I'm going to apply in the center will apply a lot nicer. Next, I'm taking the shade Chi, which is a more blue toned purple shade, and I'm applying that right on top of where I applied Maked, and then again blending it out. Next, I'm going into this BH Cosmetics Foiled Eyes palette, and I'm taking this shade, which is a duochrome pearly pink shade. It's so gorgeous. You can't tell that it's duochrome on camera, but in person it just looks so beautiful. So I thought this paired with the eye look would be gorgeous, and I'm applying that right on top of where I applied the concealer in the center. Next, I'm just going to line my eyes with my NYC Liquid Liner, which is discontinued, but this is like my favorite eyeliner of life. I love it. Now this part is optional. I'm applying a liner to my crease, and this is the Wetnwild pink eyeliner. I don't think this is available anymore, but there's a NYX one that is very similar. It's just a baby pink shade, and I'm just applying that in the center of the crease area just so I can have that pop. So I wanted it to be a little bit more vibrant, so I went in with a white eyeliner right on top of the pink eyeliner just so it can pop more. And now I'm just applying mascara, and for lashes, I'm applying the Miss 3D Silk Lashes in the style M301. These are my favorite lashes of life right now. I love them. They're available on Amazon. I have them linked down below. And now we're on to the face. I'm applying the Benefit PORE-fessional Primer. And for foundation, I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Foundation in the shades Nude Beige and Warm Beige. I'm mixing them together to get my perfect shade. And I'm just blending it out This foundation is perfect if you have dry skin. I just love this foundation. For concealer, I'm taking the Naked Skin by Urban Decay concealer in the shade Medium. And I'm applying that under my eyes, on my nose, forehead, Cupid's bow, and chin. On top of this concealer, I wanted to apply a dot of the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium Honey. Just because I wanted my under eye area to be a little bit lighter. And for powder, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana. And I'm applying that under my eyes. And I'm also applied it on my forehead and my nose and my chin area where I applied the concealer. To set the rest of my face, I'm applying the e.l.f. powder in the shade Medium. And I'm just applying that everywhere where I didn't apply that banana powder. For brows, I'm taking the Maybelline brow pencils. I'm taking 2 shades. One of them is soft brown and the other one is deep brown. And I'm applying the deep shade on the outer part of my eyebrow. And then to fill in the inner part of my brow, I'm going in with soft brown. And to set my eyebrows, I am taking a CoverGirl Clear Brow Mascara. And now to finish the rest of my eyes, I'm taking the shade Kaido, and I'm just running that through my lower lash line. And then I'm taking the shade Ada, and I'm also applying that to my lower lash line as well. And then I'm taking the purple shade, and I'm applying that with a pencil brush precisely on my lower lash line. And then I'm applying mascara, and for eyeliner in my waterline, I'm taking a nude liner. This is the Anastasia Waterproof Cream Color in the shade Honey. And to bronze up my face, I'm taking the Anastasia bronzer in the shade Sable. This is actually my first time trying it, and I really like this bronzer. It's really nice. Now taking my Bella Pierre contour palette, and I'm mixing all the shades together, and I'm just contouring my face. And also contouring my nose with this contour palette. For blush, I went into the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Party. And setting my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water. And for highlighter, I'm taking the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sundipped, and I'm taking the shade Moonstone. And I'm applying that on my cheekbones and my nose and my Cupid's bow and chin area. I'm also applying that shade into my inner corner of my eye, and I'm also using that to highlight my brow bone. Now for lips, I am lining my lips with the Urban Decay lip liner in the shade 1993. And for the rest of the lips, I'm just applying the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Y'all, this lip gloss is so beautiful. I love it. And we are done with the makeup look. I love the way it turned out, as you can tell. I'm going to go fix my hair really quick, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I love the way it turned out. Like I said, I wanted to do something different, something with color and all that. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I've never been so sure of anything before. Yeah, that looks good.